Dear students, today our topic is square root. We will discuss about that how we can find the square root in just 1 minute. Like for example, I have this number 36 and I want to find out what is the square root of this number. Which whole number I will get as a square root of 36. So the square root of 36 will be 6. How I identify it? First of all, I have to check that 36 is a perfect square or not. For finding that a number or whole number is a perfect square or not a perfect square, first we will see that this number is obtained by how I can obtain this number. Is there any number that I will multiply it 2 times? 2 times means by itself, then I will get 36. Yes, you can say to me that 36 we will get like this. 2 times 18 is 36 and 3 times 12 is 36, 4 times 9 is 36 and 6 times 6 is 36. So I am talking about this fact that 36 can be obtained by multiplying a number by itself, that is 6. So it means the square root of 36 will be 6. We can find out like this. Like if we have any number and we have to find out its square root, then first we will see that that number is a perfect square or not. It's a perfect square. It has been proved here that it's a perfect square. That's why the answer of square root 36 is 6. Like for example, I have this number 65. Now I want to find out that what is the square root of 65. Then first of all I will check, is there any number? So I will multiply by itself, so I will get 65. So there is not any other number, so I will multiply it by itself and I will get 65. You can check by reading the tables. Like for example, it's 5 times 12 is 5 times 13, 12 is 60. 5 times 13 is 65. Okay, and you can check in any other table 65 comes, so no. So it means it's only coming in this pair or this pair. So it means 65 is not a perfect square. So we can't find the square root of 65 by this method. We can find the estimated square root of 65. How? We can find like this. We have to check that what is which number is a perfect square which is near to 65. So you will check that the nearest to 65 is 64, which is a perfect square. How? 8 times, we all know that 8 times 8 is 64. So just like this example, 6 times 6, for 64 we have this pair 8 times 8 and it's 64. So it means the estimated value of the square root of 65 will be 8.01 something. So you can say approximately it's 8. Okay, and if you want to estimate, then you can estimate the square root like this. For example, I have another example. Like I have 85. Now I want to check that is 85 a perfect square. So no, 85 is not a perfect square because there is no number we will multiply by itself, so we will get 85. Okay, you can check by reading the tables like I have found out the pairs in the previous examples. So 85 is near to 81. How? 81 is a perfect square. How would I know? Because 9 times 9 is 81. We will get a pair like this for this one. So approximately the square root of 85 will be 9.02 something. Okay, so you can say the square root of 85 is up to 9. In SAT or different types of NEET or NTS exams, you have to solve this type of questions. Like they will give you options, so you have to choose the estimated one, that is 9, because in those exams the calculator is not allowed. So you have to use these tricks. So if you like my video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos when I will upload. Press the bell icon and don't forget to comment and share my channel with other students. Thank you.